Cause Chum is a well-experienced girl. You have to pass all of my tests them in my mind. What that stinking man? Chum is a well-experienced girl. You have to pass all of the blood clot tests them in my mind. That's how me look on blood clot life. And for 2026, going on 2027, 2025, going on, for 2026 going on. Cause 2025, my relationship them mash up. You say any boy where I use me, I use you back. You say any boy wanna want me don't want you neither. So say any ball game you play, eat me a blood clot play. So if me sick your stomach, you sick my blood clot stomach too. So if you don't like me, I don't like you either. If you can smile me, I smile blood clot too. Don't think I'm stupid. Don't think I'm stupid coming off humans I walk with. And trust me, a good heart, good and clean heart you use and you hear all of what them say about you. Me okay, me fine, I'm a good. How would this say, man?
Okay, boom, Fibros, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute the banner beating it can't see. Pan on the screen. It's been a crazy week for the TikTokers, my people. I'm not gonna lie. It's been crazy. You feel me? I just want to start off by updating this story with Rosealee. First and foremost, thank the Lord above that he is indeed alright. But you know the people them not buy with the tea list that I must sell, you see me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And these people are saying it might be some type of insurance scam because them says a tea list that Rosealee can't afford him lifestyle. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because honestly people, I don't believe this story, based on how the car look. It don't look fake to me. You see, man, I say people who's doing these insurance thing is not going to put them life in that type of situation. You see me? Anyway, I can be wrong, but based off of the car look, it look like it real to me. But nevertheless, the people them say, car full of garage and all of these things and can't keep up with the payment, X, Y, and Z. Put in the comment section where you think about that. Now the next trending story, me say out of Dancehall, Jamaica, TikTok world. I have to deal with Rosealee, because the picture is down again. And the people them is down again. This is what I say. And the people them is saying this because of Wasp. And Akeem look like they're about to rekindle. This is what I say. We mentioned this the other day that Akeem want that good thing back, This is what I say. And come to find out, figure it out. Akeem and them nah pipe Diamond and Rosealee. They see me, so something not going on with something. But before we go back and listen to Rosealee, let's hear what Wasp has to say about the situation. Because she said she's not going to erase her tattoo. Because these things people were involved and engaged, Yeah, one bagger in one. You say me, I say because she said the media mash up our life with Akeem, you see me? Remember when we did get the DM said it was, find out Akeem and Snow did there and Ivani bust the thing. When the man said when I forgot back into him, let's show the screenshots of what go on from that to go on. So let's hear what Wasp is saying now. And we'll proceed to what Rosealee said at the end. You see?
Media break a lot of relationship here because say media have a lot to do with why me and Akeem break up. Because media, people just going on your DM and tell us some things. And going on DM and tell them, me care all day, so people take a picture, me care send him. Him there, so people take picture, him send me. I just, that, chaotic, bro. Cash, 2 serious relationship, yes, Cash. 2 years relationship, them. Yeah, so him not B2 man. You and him will fight and him, you're not going to fight, but he not B2 man. You understand? No, Tamara, I said no. Him not do that, babes. Monique? Who's your in-law? Yeah, he not B2 man. We just fight, and most times we start the fight. Can we lick him first and then till then. Because sometimes I just get upset and we lick him. But you know, him man over me because he's a man. Lush Kitty, thank you. It was a prank, guys. When I was just me up, me come and explain since I said the video was a prank. Can I beat the boy no steal, so bro? The boy is not like that. He's a very good guy. Everybody have them messed up ways, but he's a very good guy. Guys, send some gifts. Let's go get ready, right? He just look excited, but me never know for what. And I say, alright, babe, or something. And he say, yeah, me alright, you alright? Make sure alright, you want something to eat. This, that, you want me to stay in the room, now want me come out till him tell me. So I said, no, in the yard, we got a mommy party, you know, want me come out here. But did I? Until he say, alright, at time. I tell him, come on. No, no, that mommy, call, no. I want to there hide, mommy. Run in brother room. Come to there somewhere I can never see no yet. See, mommy? Want to there hide. Come I want to hide me because me don't know so no come up from country. I went time in our house like me I take too long so I couldn't wait for me to go to the door. It whole crowd up them time the Jay always there. Jay used to there with one girl. And the girl was there, so the girl and me used to cool. And she come in the room and she say, she said, Mrs. Lee or the Lee. And I say, why she has said that? It's like, me didn't find it weird. Me never know I walk. Everybody know about the engagement except me. Remember the whole crowd of friends and families will come know about engagement. What's Benzema? I don't know. My best friend, me I come over here tonight. Can I say, me come at the party? Yeah, I pray and I say, wait, my friend I get so close to Akeem. Mine, you know. I said, no, man, my friend is not like that. That's so weird. I must say, party shop.
Why unforgettable shade that share the life? What more bucket of share?
Yeah, because them want them friends here. Why me get engaged? But did it on YouTube, would they publicly engage? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. They did it everywhere. But I guess them want them friends here again in 2025 when we're ending 2025. Going into 2026. Okay, we're talking about something that happened in 2020. The past. Okay? Alright. So. Me there in the room now and something. In could wait for me to come out and make the whole crowd rush in the room. Me stand up. I think me turn on to the bed. Guys, me beg on 2 more money guns, please. Me turn on to the bed. I think me I put on my jewelry.
Gift.
I think me I put on my jewelry. I may ask them for 2 more money guns, but they come like say. No. Guys, me beg on 2 more money guns, please. Yeah, guys, me must say it public and not this way. Like me I come bust up my secret. I don't know. I don't know why they share the live. Like, it's all the power for you, so we still see it. I guess. I don't know if fresh news or stale news. Because I'm get engaged, everybody know that. So anyway, we say, Gola Akeem single? Okay, me don't know, guys. Me not gonna know that.
What do you mean the man single? A married man, I don't know about him single. Leave the man alone. He's not single, he's a married man.
But
must stop doing that.
Mommy, get out of it. One king, no, baby. No. And this is a which married man.
He is a married man.
Asha say I'm single. Asha, one king, me I beg on 2 money guns, please. Go like say Keisha, I'm single. Oh, she say name Keisha. She see me tattoo? Keisha. Me don't have my mother and Akeem name.
No Gola, I'm not
One
single.
king. Let's go more on there. Period. NSC. A joke. You know, on this kind of screen I want to stop jamming me out. Guys, the man move on and living life.
Happily married.
Guys, the man married. The man doing things. Me always start the night. Stop do that. We just talk about the past. Okay, guys. Guys, I'm gonna do them serious. Me not care whether it's real or fake. That's none of my business, baby. Me not get involved with that. Me and him cool him doing things. Me not care. And sometimes I want to love him because sometimes I don't stress him out too much too. I can't leave him alone. But I'm something fake, I want to love you, I want to love you, I'm not a fan of them. This is what me I talk about. Kaki, understand the assignment. Rich on my tattoo. Me have all the tattoo, but me not TikTok black me. Me have with pain come strength. Me have the art. Me have love. Me have Benzema. Me have Keisha. Me have flowers. Me have a tattoo on my belly. Me have butterfly. Me have Akeem with the art. What else me have? Me have a black art with the plus sign. Guess me don't know if me have no more tattoo. Yes, I'm an only child. When him cover mine. So anyways. Yes, I'm Claude daughter. Sexy T, you know me? You know Claude? From here go Claude, you know. But I clock a strike. Guys, remember going to 2 more money guns, please. So anyways, now we get 2 money guns in us. I don't understand. Let me address you. You don't even have a name. You have full stop. What Delulu are you talking about? Like, what is Delulu? What is Delulu? What are we talking about? We're not together. We're not together anymore. So what Delulu you talking about? I don't understand. Yeah, I wonder. I don't understand. Kakidan, thank you. Thank you, babe. Like, past story time. Nothing about affect nobody relationship. No, I'm single and people are doing things. No, not do that. Not do that. It's not nothing about that. Yes, we have a good relationship, gospel. Yeah. Not do that, guys. Not do that. We not mash up nothing. Nothing is there to mash up. We not mash up nothing. We don't mash up nothing, guys. Just a do a little story time. TT, God bless, welcome. Nikki Balance, welcome. Alright, guys, so from night when I get engaged, right? So I turn around. I think I put on some jewelry. And when I turn back around, I see him stoop down with our on his knee. I see my mother. I see my two cousins them I love so much. No, I don't have a younger sister. I see my mother, my two cousins them I love so much. I see his mom. I see our friends. And everybody, I scream out. And I say, what the hell? I'm start bawling, told me all frightened. To see my mother, because I don't know, like I just too much shocking and one. Like, because they make me drop down, like me, I say, why them do me this? Like almost me drop down because I see my mother who I love so much. My two cousins them I love so much. Guy who I love so much. But don't tell me say, want to marry me. Would you marry me? Me just feel like me that fear. I think me start bawling, mommy. And you grab me up because you're friend too, you know. Like mommy, I said, Jesus Christ. How what is me to do a picnic? You know, mommy church me. And mommy grab me up and me start ball and then hold me up. And then we put on the ring. He put on the ring on my finger. And everybody a draw me go outside and then me say the party was all for me. And then the cake said, would you marry me? I will go outside, I will cut the cake together and I scream out yes. And that was a video there trend on TikTok. I remember time they were on Instagram, sorry. I'm telling you we were on Instagram and the video trend me a ball out. I ball up my throat. Cause girl feel nice and so. I ball up my throat and I say, whoa. Told me amazed. Me say me told me line right. Me say me couldn't believe, guys. Like me know we there and everything, but me never know that I reach so far. Like that's why I say things just happen. If a boy wants to fit show, a boy wants to fit show. That's it. But life goes on and he move on and me I do my thing. Mommy's right here and they say she really come at them. Yes, go la me I tell you. And then we get engaged and we do after party. You know, saying that the engagement party, the video will go viral. You know, so I think me pick up about $2 million. And we keep partying and we go live and dash the 2 million. Upon the ground, we dash $2 million. I saw mommy, you get upset. Mommy, I say, what the hell this we are doing? It's a cock up on media. Remember, I don't know what we are doing. It's just like we pick up the money and we're just excited and on birthday party and we just throw the money all over and it was an excitement and everybody had take it up and some guys maybe gonna do 2 more live goals, please. 2 money guns in the chat. 2 money guns in the chat. So
no, NSC. Nobody is in love still. No.
Eh?
NSC say you're in love still. No.
She said me love the boy. She said me as in she, not maybe not me.
No, you.
No, me not love.
You're in love, she can still see that.
No, my baby, I'm not in love with nobody. Me single, babes. Me, thank you,
so you have
baby.
to make sure you fix up that, you know.
No, man, guys, we just talk about the past. Look at story time like what him do. I'm not in love with him. Him not in love with me. I live in life, me I live mine. Me single about to date. Me no. Me don't know. Me can't tell you why him stay, but I guess me just step on and live around him. He might live in life. I guess with nobody now focus on that and think about that. If you understand, guys, nobody now.
Wow. See, the other day, I tell the people on TikTok that these people are soulmates, you know. And it's just a matter of time. Because when say Akeem that I talk about was, and it seemed like him did still in love with that, you know. But nevertheless, let's hear what Rosealee has said because, like me say, she vexed because the picture not there. And she said the next boy that come in her life now going to take off a full because she fully experienced, you know.
It's a track. I wonder if some boy really take me for blood clot mascot. No. Unlimited boss. Me I wonder if some boy, if some boy really take me for blood clot mascot. No, me I wonder. Some of these niggers, like you really take me for a fucking jackass. Yeah. Because that man today now say, me I run down fuck for him. Boy, me I tell you say, me I tell you blood clot say, Lord God no, Miss Independent. Remember Lord God no with blood clot what? What you mean by Lord God blood clot now? You see what Drake's do me in a life? The boy can't get to do me that. So you see the boy me round, if me there run, if you don't want me, me know. Me not fool and know me look. I me not love nobody more than myself. I'd rather be alone than to be unhappy. And some boy are really crosses. You understand what I say? Me not fool and how me look. Sometimes I will know I hear things I just do like me don't know it. I hear it. Just play a blind eye to it. But I know everything. I no mascotting and no bad game when me play. So sometimes I tell myself I want up on the fucking delusional, not me. Before me in a space at all blood clot time. Cause one boy alone take me, turn me in a blood clot papa show. And that was my being father with me there for 12 blood clot years. And that boy come after him can't turn me in a puppy blood clot show. It's a life full of experience. I know when a man want just to fuck. I know when a man want just to fuck. I know when a man genuinely like you, like you, but you don't want to fuck. I know when a man want to use you. I know all of that. I know clotting. I know every bomber ass clotting.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. Now, if you made it this far in the video, remember to subscribe to my Dancehall story channel where we just talk dancehall stories and not, you know, the mix up and gossip that you don't subscribe yourself for. You see, man, you know, how it's going on with Bounty Killer and Massacre and Vibes Cartel and all of these things. You see, man, so do the right thing and subscribe to all of my channel them so they can keep up to date with the latest. Hit the notification bell too to be notified when we drop the latest, right? And even do live streams, isn't it? Bliss.